Hi guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video, we're still working on G35. So my problem now, I have the stereo volume doesn't work. So when I turn the stereo, nothing. There is no sound or nothing. So if you have this problem, the first suspect is gotta be your amp. The issue you have now, there is no video show us what is the amp for this car. But today, gotta show you what is the amp location. If you want to replace the amp, get them online or got any place use parts and switch it and do it easy way, guys. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay with me until the end of the video to show you the location, what is the amp for this model from 2003 until 2007, the coupe or the sedan. Thank you guys and stay with me. Here we go, guys. This is my G35. So when you come into the trunk, so sorry for the dirt, but when you come into the trunk, you look for the location for the amp. If your stereo volume doesn't work, you're supposed to be change the amp. So the amp for this car, I've been looking everywhere. There is no video for this model. I gotta show you what's the location. Okay, guys. You gotta be in driver's sides, your driver's sides. You come in on this side, you got the carpet out. You got this plastic, you have to remove everything pretty much. And what you wanted to do is in the need of the box right here, close to the spare tires. So here, this is the amp was the location. You have to open a bowl right there, 10 millimeter sockets. And you have to remove this plastic over here. And the need of it, there is the amp for the stereo. If you have a volume doesn't work, so the location is over here. So we just get another one, take it off, replace it, and easy, guys. So that's why it is, guys. Just right there, the amp. I've been looking all day for what is the amp, what is the amp. There is no one has the video for. So this is why, guys, I show you where's the location exactly. So what I'm still doing in my car, I'm still working on it. So I have this ploy here. It gets killed by the sun. It got cracked. So I just start sanding it all the way. So now I start sanding again tomorrow until I finish. I sand the top. I put primer coat. I have to start sand it to start paint it. I start working on my hood. My hood is still sanded too, because the sun kill it. Especially when you use a product like a paint, it was not the right color. So I have to start work on it. So here we go, guys. I'll show you what's the app location. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to see more tricks.